All right, so we're going to go through 3 multi-step percent problems. And the first one says a television regularly sells for $699. There is a 10% discount and an 8.5% sales tax based on the sale price. What is the final price of the television? So my first step here is that I'm going to apply the discount. So I'm going to say $699. And I'm going to multiply that by the 10%. And remember to change that to a decimal, move it 2 places to the left. So that's going to give me 0.1 or 0.10. All right, when you do 699 times 0.10, you get 69.9. And since we're talking about money, that would be 90 cents. And since this is a discount and I'm saving money, that means I'm going to take my original price, $6.99, and I'm going to subtract $69.90 from that. And that is going to give us $629.10. All right, so that is step 1. We're going to apply the discount. All right, step 2 now says that we're going to pay 8.5% sales tax. So I'm going to take this sale price, so $629.10, and I'm going to apply the tax to that, and that's 8.5%, and I need to move the decimal 2 places to the left, so 0.085. All right, and when you multiply that out, you get 53.4735. And because we're talking about money, we need to round to the nearest hundredth, so we only want 2 places behind the decimal. So I'm going to look at this 3, and that's going to tell us to round the 7 up or stay the same. And since it's less than 5, we're going to stay the same. So this is going to round to $53.47. All right, that is tax, and tax means that you are paying more. So now I need to take the $69.10, and I'm going to add $53.47 to that. So $629.10 plus $53.47, and that is going to give us $682.57 as my final answer. All right, number 2 says Jen's bill at a restaurant before tax and tip is $22. If tax is 5.25% and she wants to leave 15% of the bill, including the tax for a tip, how much will she spend in total? All right, so my first step here is going to be to apply the tax. So the bill is $22. And tax is 5.25%, so I'm going to move that decimal 2 places to the left, which would be 0.0525. All right, when you multiply that, you get 1.155. Again, we only want 2 decimal places, so I need to look at the third number, and it's going to tell me to round up or stay the same. And since it's 5, we're going to round up. So that means that the tax amount would be $1.16 when you round. All right, tax means that I'm increasing, so I need to take the original amount, which was $22, and I'm going to add to that the $1.16. And that is going to give us $23.16. Right, that was step 1. All right, step 2, I'm going to leave a 15% tip. So I'm going to take the amount I got in the first step, $23.16, and I'm going to multiply that by 15% to figure out the tip amount. So $23.16 times 15% is going to give us 3.474. All right, we're going to round this. So the 4 tells me to keep the 7 the same, so I'm not going to round up here. So that's going to give us $3.47 for the tip. All right, tip also means that I'm increasing, so now I need to add the $3.47 to the $23.16. and that is going to give us $26.63 total. All right, and the last problem, a $300 mountain bike is discounted by 30%, and then discount an additional 10% for early shoppers who arrive before 5 a.m. Find the price of the mountain bike after both discounts. All right, so the original price of the bike is $300, and we are discounting that by 30%. So I'm going to multiply it by 30%. So 300 times 30% is going to give us 90. All right, $90 is the discount, and discount means that I'm going down or I'm saving money. So I'm going to say 300 minus 90. And 300 minus 90 is going to give us $210. All right, then you get an additional 10% off. So I'm going to take my 210 and I'm going to multiply that by 10%. And that is going to give us 21. All right, again, we're saving money because it's discounted again. So I'm going to say 210 minus 21. And that is going to give us a selling price of $189 for the bike.